I'm outside here working on Winkle, my 1983 300 SD. Oh, by the way, anybody know why I named it Winkle? So we pulled the wheels off to get them painted, and we got looking underneath these fender wells, and I'm thinking, my oh my, this is amazing. You know, maybe I can actually detail this car out like a brand new car by getting underneath it and detailing out all the areas under the fender wells. You can even see the original paint under there. Looks pretty good. Now, I've never done that to this extreme on any old Mercedes, but we're going to have a little fun here with Winkle and see if we can get these under fender wells looking like new. I've just got to show you this. After about 20 minutes of pressure washing under these fenders, look at this. Can you believe this? Now, this isn't even detailed yet. This is just pressure washed. So we're going to get my favorite degreaser and we're going to go to town. Just look under this right rear fender. Can you believe this? This is original factory paint. Nothing's been done here except just cleaning and scrubbing. This is pretty amazing. I've done the scrubbing twice on this fender panel, and now I'm going to take you up and show you the front. After pressure washing, these are the products I use to really scrub and get that paint clean. I started with Dawn, the heavy-duty degreaser, and then for real stubborn spots and stains, I use the Barkeeper's soft cleanser. That's slightly abrasive, but it'll really get some of those deep stains off. And then an assortment of brushes to get under there and really scrub. Now let's move up here and see what this front fender panel looks like. As I said, I don't think I've ever seen a 30-plus-year-old Mercedes unrestored that looks as clean as this under the front fenders.